We are checking out Toketee Falls today. This is just about 30 minutes outside of Crater Lake on the North Umpqua River, and it's a beautiful waterfall that you want to definitely have on your list. Wanted to show you the pipeline that's right next to the parking lot so you'd be familiar with it and know you're in the right place for the trail leading in. We'll show you the hot springs also at the end of the video. That's pretty cool, right around the corner from the falls. It's going to be beautiful. Let's get going. They list this 0.4 mile hike into the waterfall as moderate, but I would tell you that it is a little more strenuous than some I have done. There's over 200 steps. We try to give you a feel for this here in the video so you can see it. It is very picturesque though, very beautiful. You can see that there is a viewing platform to take in the falls. I would tell you that the big reward though is for those that are willing to go down below and make the trek down to the waterfall below. You'll see some awesome shots coming up right here. Here's the big payoff for those willing to go down and make that hike down to the water. Boy, is it amazing. Just one of the prettiest waterfalls you're going to see in all of Oregon. Here's a quick look at the springs that you can go check out that are just around the corner. They also have a pretty strenuous hike, I would also mention to you. Just amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video of Toketee Falls. Hope you get out there and put it on your list. More importantly, we'd love it if you'd like this video and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, get out there and get exploring.